Here on the Road Hard Roadhouse today, we're with Earthquake. I wanted to show you the new paint scheme, and let's get started. Well, I'm sure I wanted to do this with the big tires on, but we got the regular hauling around tires on here. This is the new paint scheme. Quick walk around. And I think we know Richard Graves and RC Plumley. I think RC's on a lot of my stuff. Helped me build my truck. Now Earthquake's from Shaker Racing. Shaker Racing does all my fabrication on all my vehicles. My 67 Impala. Did fabrication on my 79 Ford, did fabrication on my other 79 Ford where he put a diesel motor inside of it. So you know, he's very involved in almost every type of fabrication you can imagine, especially when you start looking at this. It's a brand new 2019 paint scheme for Earthquake. Pretty badass. Love those flames. And we always got to remember the 22. Try to knock that down. Still smells like paint out here. Those are the big tires. This is the hauler. Just finished with the Bigfoot open house. So it's a quick video of Earthquake today, the new paint scheme. And as always, if you ride hard, don't put her up wet.